I'll be teaching you how to prepare a hummingbird feeder. First, you'll need a pitcher, a measuring cup, and last but not least, sugar. For the first step, take your measuring cup and fill it with sugar. Then, dump it into the pitcher. Simple, right? Step 2 is a 3-to-1 ratio. I use 2 cups of sugar. That would mean I would need 6 cups of water. The third step is by far the most difficult part of making this feed. Mix it. The fourth step is really simple. Just pick your feeder of choice from large, medium, or small, and pour the nectar in. The fifth step is to hang your feeder in suspended air. And the sixth unofficial step is to watch the magic happen.